Google Guaranteed is a verification program that lets contractors appear in Google Local Services ads with a badge that signals background checks and verified business details. By the end of this, you'll know how to get Google Guaranteed as a contractor, what steps are required, and what actually matters in the approval process, so you don't waste time on the wrong setup. The goal of Google Guaranteed is simple. It filters contractors so customers see verified providers first when they search for local services. The first step is checking eligibility. Google Guaranteed is not available for every service category, so your business type must match supported categories in your area. This matters because if your category is not supported, you cannot proceed, no matter how complete your setup is. The second step is setting up a Google business profile. This profile must include accurate business name, address, phone number, and service areas. This is important because Google uses this information to match you with local searches and verify legitimacy. The third step is applying through Google Local Services ads. This is where you submit your business details for review and start the verification process. During this stage, Google checks licensing, insurance, and background information depending on your service category. The fourth step is completing background and license verification. Contractors and sometimes employees may need background checks, and proof of insurance may be required. This step is critical because it is the main filter Google uses before granting approval. The fifth step is setting your service area and budget for leads. Once approved, you only appear in searches within your selected regions and pay per lead instead of per click. This changes how lead generation works compared to traditional ads. When comparing Google Guaranteed to regular Google ads, the difference is trust and placement. Google Guaranteed appears at the very top of local service results with a verification badge. Regular ads do not include background verification and compete more broadly in search results. The most important factor in getting approved quickly is accuracy. Mismatched business details between your profile, license, and application are a common reason for delays. Another key factor is responsiveness. Once leads are time-sensitive, so delayed replies can reduce conversion even after approval. A practical next step is to gather your business license, insurance documents, and exact service list before starting the application. That prevents delays during verification. If this helped you understand how to get Google Guaranteed as a contractor, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of contractor marketing and lead generation systems.